Trying to attack Newsom. Mitchell will double team. Brownlee nakahanap ng paraang makatira. Nagmintis lang, but Chapman keeps it on that side. Scotty for three. Punches it through.
What a way to start out for Barangay Ginebra. They moved that basketball well prior to that previous play. And then they end up finding Scotty Thompson wide open for that three-point shot as well.
Mitchell gives it up. Hodge, short staff, doesn't work. Conference size 17 points yan siya mga ganong klaseng tira. Back in game 2 sa Ninoy noong Biyernes. Slimer nagpipis ang kanyang unang dekada. Brownlee gets deep, kicks it over. Holt. Down the middle he goes. Pintis pa rin para kay Stephen. Pero sa rebound play, pero foul.
Kita mo walang reklamo doon kay Akil Mitchell. A little push on Stephen Holt. Nailang ng bahagya si Stephen Holt doon. But Brownlee with that assist, finding Scotty Thompson. Ito yung sinasabi natin, di ba? Justin Brownlee doesn't necessarily have to carry all the load.